Coming up, we have the latest information on COVID-19 in South Dakota.
Plus, how a Sioux Falls congregation is making sure people in need can enjoy a Thanksgiving meal during the pandemic. Good morning, this is KELOLAND on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
We'll get to those stories and more in just a moment, but first let's get a check of our weather with meteorologist Scott Munt. Good morning, Scott.
All right, good morning, you two. Good morning, KELOLAND. Temperatures today will be above average, many locations in the 40s and 50s, but guess what? The wind will be back from the west to northwest at least 15 to 30 miles per hour. We'll have a setback in our temperatures for tomorrow in eastern KELOLAND, but back to the 50s and 60s by Wednesday with that next rain chance coming in on Friday. More details on a KELOLAND live Doppler forecast coming up.
Thank you, Scott. Rapid City Police are investigating a weekend carjacking. Authorities say a man brandishing an AR-15 style rifle demanded the keys from a victim on Jackson Boulevard Saturday morning. The gunman drove off in the victim's 2016 Dodge Ram long bed pickup truck.
The pickup has been recovered by Oglala Sioux Tribal Police. They are assisting Rapid City Police in finding the suspect. The suspect is a Native American man in his 20s wearing a brown jacket and blue jeans. Call Rapid City Police if you have information about the carjacking.
Sioux Falls police are asking for your help in finding a missing child. Police say they don't believe Vernon Harrison is in any danger. They just want to make sure he's okay. Vernon is 9 years old, 4 feet 10, and weighs 75 pounds. Call police if you know where he is.
We have learned from the South Dakota Department of Public Safety that 83-year-old William Hartman died Wednesday from injuries he sustained in a crash last month. Hartman was from Sioux Falls. The crash happened south of the city on October 14th.
The South Dakota Highway Patrol says the driver, killed along with 2 passengers in an interstate crash near Sturgis, was going about 147 miles per hour before hitting the back of a semi. 21-year-old Jaden Olson of Rapid City was driving a Maserati on Interstate 90 on October 6 when he rear-ended a semi, sending the car underneath it.
Olson, 22-year-old Thomas Jackson of Spearfish, and 55-year-old Titus Ironshield of Cannonball, North Dakota, were killed. The semi-driver and a passenger were not hurt. Olson's drug and alcohol tests are pending.
According to the South Dakota Department of Health, 23 more South Dakotans have died due to COVID-19. That brings the total number of deaths to 644 in the state. 219 of those deaths were in the last 15 days.
The deaths included 11 women and 12 men. 17 of the deaths were residents over 80 years old. South Dakota officials confirmed just under 1,200 new COVID-19 cases in the last day, lifting the total to over 65,300 since the start of the pandemic. New numbers are expected later this morning. In an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19 in Sioux Falls, on Tuesday, the City Council will be taking a look at 2 ordinances they've already seen. 2 councilors are hoping to bring them back to develop a surge plan for the city. Janet Brecky and Pat Starr are bringing 2 ordinances forward tomorrow.
One of them is an ordinance the council just saw last week but didn't pass. It's an emergency ordinance to require face coverings in an indoor public place where 6 feet of social distancing can't happen. The other ordinance is one the city had in place earlier this year, a no lingering ordinance. This would institute social distancing or a capacity limit for certain businesses. Brecky and Starr also want to work with the city to develop funding plan for helping businesses impacted by those regulations.
We have to have a surge plan, and that's what I'm proposing. Let's fund the messaging. Let's get the financial, finances in place to help let's get the financials in place to help the entities that are going to have to shut down. And then let's get the mask ordinance in place because we need people to wear masks now.
The ordinances are set to go through the first readings on Tuesday.
You can read about the proposed ordinances in detail on the city's website. We've posted a link with this story right here on KELOLAND.com.
Members of a Sioux Falls church dished up hundreds of Thanksgiving turkey dinners for people who cannot afford a warm meal this Thanksgiving. However, unlike earlier holiday gatherings at Augustana Lutheran, this Thanksgiving meal was served outdoors to go.
The congregation also partnered with Church on the Street, a ministry for those without homes in the area, to have donated items like boots and coats available for anyone picking up a meal.
There's so many things that are fun about doing that each year. I think one of the best things is just seeing the sense of community that develops between our guests and between our volunteers. And also we just know that there are a lot of people in need in our community, and especially this time of year, it's so good to be able to help them and give back.
The church volunteers served 500 people. That is a look at some of our top stories.
Now let's get one last look at your weather with meteorologist Scott Munt. Scott?
All right, good morning, everybody. Another windy day is in store. We'll have these west and northwest winds come in at least 15 to 30 miles per hour. Some of these gusts over 30 miles per hour on occasion. But as we do go into the evening hours, these winds will quickly start to drop off. This will all happen with mostly sunny skies and warm temperatures. Numbers well above average. We'll go with highs in the 40s and 50s. And then for tomorrow, we'll be a little cooler in eastern Kettleland. Temperatures probably in the 30s and 40s. But the 60-degree weather expected tomorrow in western South Dakota will eventually move into southeastern Kettleland on Wednesday. A little cooler for this weekend. I kicked out our rain or snow chances, just going with dry skies and afternoon highs in the 40s. In the meantime, today we'll have highs in the 40s and 50s with mostly sunny skies, but becoming windy. Teens and 20s tonight, and then for tomorrow it will be cooler in eastern Kettleland, but look at the warm weather in central and western South Dakota. That warmer weather will eventually move to the east by Wednesday. And you can check those details with your 7-day forecast while you're here online at kettleland.com.